The unexpected happened. We were struck by a barge that nearly destroyed our boat. For 3 years, we repaired and refitted her from the bottom of the keel to the top of the mast. Even though we still had plenty of unfinished projects, we decided to splash and set off. If not now, then when? Now, with over 1,800 nautical miles, leaving in 2024, we've sailed from Portland, Oregon, through the San Juans, Canada, Puget Sound, and all the way to Alaska, where we've spent the last 3 months exploring. The kids joined us for the 63 days cruising the Inside Passage. This experience was a good reminder of why it's so important to live in the present. It was an unforgettable time, filled with remote anchorages, bustling cities, hiking, biking, fishing, waterfalls, all while being surrounded by an abundance of wildlife. Let's hope we got crab. Ha! One. Finally see a bear in Ketchikan, Alaska. Right here.
What?
Well, we just caught our first halibut on Junovia. Now with the kids back in school, it's just the two of us heading south through the Inside Passage, waiting for the right weather window toward Mexico and eventually the Panama Canal.